Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
I'm Teacher D and I'm going to have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, what's your name?
my name is Ivy.
How old are you, Ivy?
I'm 11.
You are 11. Where do you live?
I live in Carolina.
All right, now let's start your speaking test. Ivy, there are two pictures that look the same, but some things are different. Example, in picture 1, the girl is playing with a violin, but in picture 2, the girl is playing with a guitar. I will talk about picture 1, then you talk about picture 2, okay? Now, Ivy, in picture 1, the clock is next to the picture.
But in picture 2, the glass is to the picture.
All right, okay. In picture 1, a lizard is on the drums.
But the star is on the drum.
In picture 1, the boy playing with a piano is standing.
But the boy play piano is
Sitting. In picture 1, the door is open.
But in picture 2, the door is closed.
In picture 1, a woman is taking a photo.
But in picture 2, the man is taking a photo.
In picture 1, one girl is drawing.
But in picture 2, one girl is
Two girls are
two girls is reading.
two girls are reading.
Two girls are reading.
Okay, good. Now, Ivy, this time we're going to exchange information, okay? Now, I don't know nothing about Sarah's tennis club, so I will ask you some question, okay? And I will be asking you some question also. You ask me some question also about Ben's swimming club, okay? Because we have here Sarah and Ben. They go to different after school clubs, okay? Now, give me some answer about Sarah's tennis club. Ivy, what day does Sarah go to tennis club?
Sarah go to tennis clubs
On
to Friday, to Monday,
on Monday.
on Monday.
Okay, what time does Sarah's tennis club start?
Is for for the for the
It's at half past.
as uh,
Okay. Where is Sarah's tennis club?
Hara tennis club in at the park.
Okay, and how long is Sarah's tennis club?
Hara tennis club is 2 hours.
Okay, and what is Sarah's teacher's called?
Is is Sarah
What is Sarah's teacher's what is the name of Sarah's teacher in her tennis club?
Sarah
It's Mr.
is Mr. Jen.
Drake.
Mr. Ray.
Okay, now ask me questions about men's swimming club.
What day Sarah tennis club?
Okay, it's on Friday.
What time Sarah tennis no
What time
one time
does Ben's swimming club
the time
swimming club start? Start.
start
Okay, at the quarter past 5.
rest dance swim club.
In the sports center.
How long
is
is band
swim
swimming clubs?
about an hour?
Um,
What is the name
what is the name
of Ben's
of band
swimming club
club?
teacher?
Teacher.
It's Mrs. Curry. Okay, now let's proceed. Ivy, look at the pictures. These pictures tell a story. It's called The Kitten. Look at picture 1. Nick has just opened the door. He sees a kitten in front of the door, so he looks surprised because he doesn't know where the kitten come from. Now I'd like you to continue the story.
Next is give the food to the cat, um, and the cat is it.
Did Nick take the kitten into the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, and Nick gives food to the kitten. Am I right? Okay, now what happens in picture 3?
Then next is
What is Nick doing in picture 3? Is he posting?
yes,
What is he posting?
is pointing on the tree and
Yeah, he is posting something on the tree, but is it a poster?
yes,
And what is it about? What can you see on the poster?
is a number
Number and
and
number and a picture of the kitten. Okay, look at picture 4.
a big Sarah, Karen,
The old woman. Okay, look at the old woman. What is on her hand?
the hand is the poster.
Okay, it's a poster, right? Okay, now what do you think is she going to do?
She she you sent
Is she going to call the number?
yes.
Okay, and what happens in the end? Look at picture number 5, Ivy.
It's a prize. Woman
How does she feel?
she feel happy.
Okay, why is she happy?
She can see the kitchen.
Okay, because she can see now her kitten, right? Who gave her the kitten? Who gives back the kitten?
Um, the the
The boy. Okay, the boy returns the kitten to her, right? And why is Nick so happy?
this is the woman the parents.
The present. Okay, not parents, okay? Nick got a present from the old woman for returning back her kitten, right? Okay, now let's proceed to the last part. Ivy, what time do you start lessons at school?
I'm the
What time do you start lessons at school? We start at
starts as
what time do you start class in the morning? At 7:30, at 6:30,
uh, 7 o'clock.
at 7 o'clock. Okay. How do you travel to school?
I travel the car.
By car. Okay. What's your favorite subject?
Subjects my favorite subjects is English and
My
science.
favorite subjects are
My favorite subjects are English and English and science.
okay, good. Now, how many children are there in your class? How
Um,
many people are there in your class?
there are 24.
There are 24. Okay, and what do you usually do after school?
Um,
What do you do after school? Do you usually play with friends? What do you usually do?
I'm playing badminton with my sister.
You play badminton with your sister?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you, Ivy.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.